Tired of fumbling with tiny SIM cards? Let's ditch the plastic and go digital by activating your Cricket Wireless Esim in just a few simple steps. First, make sure your phone is Esim compatible and connected to Wi-Fi. Then, download or open the MyCricket app on your phone. It's your gateway to managing everything cricket. Once you're in the app, tap on the Account tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. Scroll down until you find the option that says Get a Digital SIM Esim. Tap on that to start the Esim activation process. Now, you'll see some important information about your phone, including its IMEI and EID numbers. Review this info and then tap Activate Esim. Cricket will then generate a QR code. You can either scan the QR code with another device or use the option to install the Esim directly on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions. Your phone will now guide you through the Esim installation. It might take a few minutes to download and activate the Esim profile. And that's it. Your Cricket Wireless Esim is now active. You can start enjoying all the benefits of a digital SIM. Welcome to the future of connectivity.